What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. Long live the Republic. Hey guys, I'm from Michigan. I love going up north to Traverse City where you will find the original Cherry Republic store, and it's a store that makes everything cherries. Hey, I don't know if you know, but a lot of cherries come from up north and they're delicious. They actually have a cherry festival in Traverse City. Hey, you can make a lot of stuff out of cherries, and Cherry Republic allows you to get everything. Now, I'm showing you this because you can actually buy like holiday gift bags and packages for people if you want to pick up some stuff. It's a great way to show a little Midwest pride, as well as get something unique that they're not going to get somewhere else. A mild cherry salsa in a nice big jar here. Look at this. We've got true cherry preserves. That's going to be delish on toast. Even pancakes and stuff like that. How about this? Milk chocolate cherry nut mix. Huh? Look at that. Chocolate covered cherries. Doc chocolate cherry coffee beans. This stuff will totally get you amped up. I'm on them right now. And then one of my favorites is the dark chocolate covered cherries. These are awesome. And look how big this bag is. I just go after these all the time. Listen, I love everything from the Cherry Republic. They've got cherry soda, other cherry salsas. They have just everything you can think of. Go online to their website, Cherry Republic, check out what they've got, order some stuff up, treat yourself, enjoy it. Have a little bit of Michigan in your belly. Links to everything you need in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out.